Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here to unbox Love Linen. Linen Love.
Welcome, lovelies. Love Linen, Linen Love. It's a beautiful collection. That's the bottom line. And there's a lot in this box.
There is a lot. It's such a beautiful collection. You're going to love it just in time for the hot, hot summer. The weather is turning and it feels amazing.
Yeah.
Beach time is coming.
You know what? I love the seasons, and we always talk about that, hey?
Yeah.
You love winter.
I do. I love them all.
You love them all. I love them all too.
I do wish summer was a little longer.
Yes.
That's my
right.
only wish.
Yeah.
But no, the seasons are wonderful, and so is this collection.
Yes.
We have some beautiful linen pieces designed in Germany, made in Italy. Beautiful higher quality linens, which is nice.
Beautiful designs, beautiful
Your
seamstress.
outfit last year, do you remember? Do we have a picture of you in that gray outfit? We should show it here, ladies. This was the Linen Love last year, and Lousje rocked and still rocks this outfit all the time.
Yeah.
And the quality is nice.
Yeah, I always wash my clothes at the end of the season, put them away. So I opened the summer box and there it was. I ironed and I'm going to wear it again. I haven't worn it yet, but it's so versatile and you feel so good in it. And I got so many compliments.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, it was a beautiful outfit.
It's a beautiful outfit.
And you're going to see there's some pieces sort of like at different colors, but you'll...
Colors, the colors in this collection. Okay.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Well, speaking of though, let's talk about our, we're blue, we're jiving here with the blue.
Yes.
Blue and the white. I have cream and you have the khaki.
Oh, love.
Is it khaki? No, it's light white gray.
No, it's taupe. And I love, love, love it. I have these pants in navy. And I'm surprised, I wear them quite often.
Yeah,
they're
great.
Lovely.
The fabric's wonderful.
Yeah, they feel great, they look great, very stylish. I can't stop looking at this ring.
I love that ring. I know, I had it on in a video recently. And
did you?
It goes with everything.
Oh, Tessa,
beautiful.
It pops. It's
I know.
Beautiful, the setting and then this beautiful black stone in it.
Yeah.
Funny.
Earrings, yes, from Ziska, super fun.
To match this gorgeous sweater.
Yeah, I love this sweater. It feels amazing. Textile paper.
Textile paper.
Yeah, 70% textile paper, 30% viscose.
Yeah.
Cool, eh?
Yeah, it feels like, it has an unusual feel. It's soft,
it's beautiful,
but it's very beautiful.
I love the
color is lovely.
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and then I put on...
But what is this top?
This is from Polo Trico, which I love. And look at me standing in it. You can see it better, but with the tank dress from Lousje Bean in the navy, and it matches it perfectly.
Nice. What a nice summer top.
I know, it's very light and flowy.
Is it one size?
It's sized, but they're generous, but it's supposed to be oversized.
Right.
It's got a little high-low with a slit. It's
beautiful.
Really cute.
Very fun.
And I love it over the tank dress. It's such an easy, comfortable outfit.
I know.
And then, of course, in Marie, look how gorgeous.
Oh, yeah, that place.
And then I have the Ziska set. Look at how cute.
La, darling.
So this is the longer bliss necklace, lovelies. And then I put on the
navy cord.
Yeah, and then this guy matches that.
Very nice.
All right, let's get to it. We have lots of mixing and matching here. I don't even know where to begin. But maybe I'm going to pick my favorite piece first.
Why don't you?
Okay. This is my favorite piece.
Yeah.
You should see.
How did I know that?
Well, this is your color.
Yeah.
But when I was buying this, ladies, it's a little bit pricey for the collection, but it is absolutely beautiful.
Stunning. Yeah.
The fabric, it's 100% linen, and it is absolutely gorgeous.
And the style of it, with the V-neck. And the weight.
I know.
This is a year round.
It's absolutely gorgeous. And it says made with love in Europe. Cute,
look, Tessa, with these pants.
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh,
beautiful. But you could put these over anything. Yeah. And we love this look. But this fabric, ladies, if you purchase it, you'll feel it and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. The quality is there. It is gorgeous. So that is just in the two colors there. So you can mix and match that in your own wardrobe. But we also have some bottoms here that can go with it. Maybe I'll pull out the bottoms just so you know what we're dealing with here. what you're dealing with. So black bottoms. These are similar to last year, the ones that Lousje had with the bottom, the mesh bottom.
Yeah.
I believe this is cotton. This is 100% cotton on the bottom.
Yeah.
And the pants are 100% linen.
And this is like a little netting. So it's a little see-through, just attached.
Just attached. And this is extra small waistband. Looks a little small, so I would probably size up in that, but take a peek at the size chart. I believe I'm a medium in these pants, Lovelies. And Lousje probably extra small to small.
Probably small.
Yeah, but it's really cute.
For
and
bomb, I could do an extra small, but this would be a little too snug on me. But if you have a nice little tiny waist, this is your pant.
That's your pant. And then classic white, of course. So here we go. We're starting with all the, it's a beautiful white pant.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, this really shows, eh?
Yeah, really shows. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. And then two colors that they did. Look at this, beautiful.
Oh, wow.
I wonder what they're calling this.
Yeah, what do they call it?
Jeans.
Oh,
a jean blue.
A light jean blue.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Summer, summer.
Yeah, and this is my favorite here.
Fuchsia.
Yeah, fuchsia, they call it orchid, but how beautiful is that?
Beautiful, what a rich color.
Yeah, pockets, Lovelies.
Yeah. Oh, amazing, Tess.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. So now there's all sorts of pieces that are going to go and mix and match with these. And first I'm going to start with the little boleros, which you're going to love. Oh. So this is out of the 100% cotton.
Oh, yeah.
It's a waterfall.
Oh, I love it.
So you compare that over with the black pants, the white pants.
Love, love. It's shorter than what we had last year. And it's a nice little, a nice little
great
cover
little cover.
Right?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. And then white ladies, of course. Gorgeous. You can wear the white over the jeans, which would be great, or the orchid.
Or the orchid. Anything.
Or the black.
Right.
And then they did an orchid.
Oh.
The fuchsia.
Beautiful.
We're calling it.
So you can do the monochromatic, which we love.
We love the whole, that's like your charcoal outfit from last year, the gray.
Yes, that's right.
This maybe is your new color this year.
Maybe it is.
Which is the same color as your lipstick.
And I think it's called Lady Danger, I'm not sure. But look at this cute little...
You are Lady Danger.
I am. Well...
Not these days, ladies. Not these days.
I used to be, but now I'm a little bit. I said Clan the other day, I said, how do you like it that you married a lemon? You didn't know.
Oh, Mom.
He said, I married the nicest lemon of lemons. Okay.
Oh, this is just a little blip, Mom.
A little blip.
Little blip.
Yeah.
All right, ladies. And then to go with the pants, we have a beautiful little shell tank.
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah, the beauty of this tank, I remember that from the one that I have, it's cut on the bias, and anything cut on the bias is fabulous. Yeah.
Fits beautiful. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then again, it has the bottom here. Love that.
Yeah, so when you wear this then with another color, say you wear this with white,
oh, you can really see it peeking through. Love that.
Love.
Beautiful. Orchid to match.
I think that would be a beautiful color for just about any lovely.
And yes, absolutely. It's a gorgeous tone.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. And then tomorrow, you're going to mix and match these for the Lovelies.
I'm very, very much looking forward to it.
I know. You're going to love this whole collection.
Wow.
It's really beautiful altogether. And perfect timing with this weather.
Yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, there is another top in here, new top for them, brand new. We did it in the mustard to go over the black or the white. It's fabulous.
Gosh, I love that with black.
Absolutely gorgeous on. It's got room in the hips, ladies, so don't worry. I feel like I'm a bit hippie and it fits me perfect.
Yeah.
I did wear an extra small in it.
Just to show how nice it pops
look
on black.
Look at gorgeous.
Right away, it's like a wower.
Yeah, wower.
Yeah.
Nice cowl neck, you don't have to worry, just some nice big earrings and a bracelet. Love the side here. It's got a little button here, you can keep it rolled up.
And it's a little fitted. So it goes up to what size?
Extra large, I believe. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice length too, Tessa.
Really nice length, ladies. It's coming here a little bit past the hips.
It's like a tunic.
Yeah, gorgeous. And then oatmeal, which we'll be smashing with.
Beautiful.
The blue too.
Yeah.
It would look good with the denim or
very
the jean.
soft.
or the white or the black. And then this is the jean as well.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Soft.
It's such a great top. You'll love it. It's just ruched a little. You can leave it like that. It's perfect. I mean, you can obviously do it a little more, but I think that that's perfect.
This is always nice, eh, for the summer.
Yeah, just a nice little touch, right? Yeah. With the little coconut button there.
Yeah,
it's gorgeous.
Cute.
Okay, ladies, last but never least, this is the cutest little jacket. It is a linen jacket take on a jean jacket.
Oh my God.
So you're gonna love this.
Oh, it's darling.
Darling. Different than last year. This one's a little boxier.
Yeah.
You'll see it on us tomorrow. It's got beautiful shell buttons.
Oh my goodness, I love it.
Cute little shell buttons on the side here.
Yeah.
Extra small to extra large or double extra large, I believe. Great sizing too with this company.
Yeah.
But check out the size charts because we have everything measured. Yeah, it's really cute. You can wear it open, you can wear it closed up.
Over a summery dress with no sleeves.
Yeah.
Long, you know.
And then black. Just the classics, black and white.
Very nice collection.
With any of these pieces.
Exactly.
Yeah. Lots to play with here.
Lots to play
just great pieces to add to your wardrobe, right?
Yeah,
that you already, if you have the pants from last year, you can mix these up as well.
Lots of playing.
Yeah, lots of playing. All right, lovelies, watch us here tomorrow. Lousje is going to be styling this up for you. Please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And as always,
keep on smiling.